As you can see, it's really crazy where I live right now. It's so foggy. All fireworks are going off. Sparklers. People beeping. It's crazy. Sparklers. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, snap, sorry. Okay. As you can see, it's so crazy. It's so crazy. Oh, fireworks. And it's so foggy. And it's my favorite time. It's so foggy. It's so foggy. It's so foggy. It's so foggy. Haha. Oh. It's so foggy. It's so foggy. It's so foggy. It's so crazy out here. So foggy, so crazy, so foggy, so crazy, so foggy. Happy New Year, everybody! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Plus, I have like 2, 3 shots of wine, so I'm like excited. And it's like the first time in like forever. Second, last year it was me having to go to work, but this year I've been able to get off. I didn't have to do it. I didn't have to miss like all the excitement, fireworks. Before I had to just like go to work, and I shot a little bit of fireworks. Oh no! I don't have my Bobby! 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 Where'd he go? Where did he go? Why would he lock the door? I don't have. Ah! Why would you lock the door on me? He locked the door on me. He locked the door on me. He locked the door on me. Bobby! Hazel, go get your day! Ah, he locked me out! I didn't know it. Ah! Die! Ah, he locked me out. He's a butt.